Alright, this is gonna be my grand opening of my latest prize or latest eBay find. I started not to pull the trigger on this, you know, with Dayton coming up. It's like I'm gonna save my pennies and quarters, P's and Q's for Dayton. But anyway, this is hopefully a Maco 750. I bought it because I did kind of want a 750, but I knew it was not the greatest shape and the tubes look a little rough, at least in the pictures of it. But I don't know, maybe it survived this. Don't know. Grand opening, I'm hoping for the best, but not a very big box, or not very well wrapped. My knife is getting dull there. But anyway, the grand opening of this Maco 750 here. Interesting box that they let it ship like that. And we got a little bit of a dent there, but that's all that I see there. I'm gonna put the camera down and continue my grand opening, hopefully. I hope all is well. I'll be happy. It's not beat up too much. I don't know. Alright, that came off pretty easily. Let me hit the rest. No, that folds up like that? Okay. Let's see if I can cut that off. There we go. See a little bit of rubber wrap. We got a cord. It looks like a cord for a Maco 750. Not much bubble wrap. Yeah, it goes down, I would say 1 inch of bubble wrap. People keep saying, you know, it's the shipping company, it's the shipping company. Shipping companies will not cover unless you have at least 3 inches of bubble wrap all the way around. Uh-oh. Heard that? It sounded like something's loose in there. Yeah, I'd say not even 1 inch. I'd say maybe a ½ inch. Some places less than that. Let's see if I can show. That's the layer on the bottom. You know, 1 wrap and 2 wraps of the thin stuff here. And that's it. Nothing else in the box there. Yeah. I don't know, it's my fault. Why do I keep doing this to myself, right? Alright, camera. So, anyway, got the camera down. Let's open the rest of it up. That's kind of interesting. Screw head sticking out like that. I'll show you that as soon as I get this out the way. Oh, that's glass. Interesting screw head there. I'm gonna flip her over. Yeah, I hear lots of glass. Yeah. Alright, let's undo my screws. Great big giant screws put in there, right? Do I have to loosen those or take them all the way out? I don't know. Halfway blame myself on this one. I didn't need it, I was just being greedy to even think about bidding on this one. I was thinking if, you know, this tube survived, it might have been worth it. The face doesn't look that bad. A little cleaning up, the face will be alright. I'll show the screws in a second too, after I get them all out here. Big giant screws. Couple more. Yeah. From here it doesn't look like any of the tubes survive. Alright. Yeah. Alright. Shippers, sellers. That's what happens when you guys pack them like this. You know, don't put any bubble wrap around the tubes. Don't ship the tubes in a separate box or separately. You know, no support, no wrapping. And that's what I get. Yep. Looks like maybe only one didn't make it. If so, I consider myself very lucky. Anyway, that's it for my latest prize. Maco 750. Bye.